perspective. Thanks very much. The pre-open is settled about 0.5% higher. 18,288 is where we are likely to start. As we've seen for the last 3 or 4 sessions, it's not the start which really has mattered. It's the close, because, I mean, after the start, there has usually been a dip, and at about 2:30, the market comes back strongly. Sudarshan, your 9-10 calls?
Well, buy the Nifty. If you have the Nifty, hold it. Otherwise, buy it on an intraday dip. You usually get these dips. Ramco Cement is a buy with a stop under 715.
Okay, Ramco is a buy under 715, 744 or so is where Ramco is at right now. So we've got what, 5 minutes to go, 4 minutes to go actually for the market opening. Mitesh is with us as well. Mitesh, your 9-10 calls?
Yeah, I'll go with a buy on Apollo Tyres with a stop at 294 for a first target 315 and then 325.
Okay, well, the big mover this morning is Coal India. It's up almost about 2.5%. The numbers were looking good. In fact, Motilal Oswal has put out a report where they say that this is the highest ever EBITDA that we've seen for Coal India, and strong results. Consensus continues to upgrade. So let's see how it goes. For now, the target price that Motilal has is 325 rupees.
Higher than consensus, Sonia.
Motilal?
In that same note.
Okay.
They are higher than consensus. So
Okay.
Motilal's positive on the stock, and clearly the dividend, I think, is something that the street likes, the 15 rupee dividend. But
Okay.
let's hop across to Abhishek. He's joining in to tell us about Paytm. Abhishek?
Talking about brokerages on Paytm, they say that, FY23 revenues are in line and the EBITDA losses are now narrowing. So incrementally, the profit is being driven by, lending business. So scale up is the key. The pre-IPO investor lock-in that opens up on November 15. So how that moves will be seen closely with respect to how much of the pre-IPO lock-in investors do come in for selling. Solid operational performance this time around for Q2 FY23. And the closure on IT audit that was directed by RBI, that will be seen closely. So Goldman Sachs says that they expect multiples to re-rate higher for Paytm, given the fact that it is approaching adjusted EBITDA break-even by mid of calendar year 2023. So across brokerages, you have a mixed view coming in with underperformance sell and underperformance rating from UBS, CLSA and Macquarie. Morgan Stanley has an equal weight rating, while Goldman Sachs and Citi have a buy rating. So across brokerages, the target price ranges from as low as 450 to as high as 1130 per share. Back to you.
Okay, very divided house over there. But let's go across to Sonal now and watch out for PI Industries. Sonal, over to you.
Well, strong set of numbers reported by PI Industries. It was a top-down beat, leading to a revenue growth of 31% on a YY basis. EBITDA was up 49%. Margins expanded 200 basis points at 24%. And profits were also up 46% for the company. It was driven both by their export and domestic markets, where exports grew 29%. And this is on a high base. Volume growth came in at 25%. 36% growth was seen in the domestic markets, which was led by 31% volume growth. The company says it was the new product launches that they made which led to this growth this time around. And they also said that trend of rising input costs and pass-through to the consumers continued in the first half as well. And EBITDA margins, they improved on account of favorable product mix and also operating leverage. They continue to have a surplus cash on their books to the tune of 2,300 crore rupees, and they continue to look out for inorganic opportunities, the buyout that they had been planning in the pharma space. And all in all, good set of numbers from the company and management commentary as well.
Okay, Sonal, thanks a lot for that. Just 30 seconds left for the markets to open. Looks like it's going to be a solid opening. Remember, the Bank Nifty will be hitting an all-time high this morning. 41,840 is the all-time high. And the Bank Nifty looks like it's going to surpass